There's a joke where it's a bring your kids to the office day, and a dad is taking her daughter to the office. So his daughter innocently asks, "Dad, where are all the clowns you said you work with?" So हर ऑफिस में कोई ना कोई कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. Someone's a hustler, someone's an overachiever, someone's overburdened, someone's an escape artist. Which one are you? Let's figure it out in this reel. And if you have figured it out, let's also learn how it can impact you in your workplace and how it's going to be bad for you. So let's start with the escape artist, जो हमेशा हर काम से छटक जाता है. They'll always find a route to say no. They'll end up piling up their work and they are always late, delayed. And such people, they don't have a very good impression at the office. तो सारा corporate reputation पानी में छपा. That's not a good image, right? The second one, these are the overachievers. ये कभी ना नहीं बोलते. They'll say yes to everything. Even if they have their own set of work to do, they'll still take upon additional responsibilities. Now these people, इनके साथ क्या होता है? They'll get overburdened, they are overworked, हमेशा चिड़चिड़े रहते हैं, गुस्से में रहते हैं, they're always stressed. इनसे हम जब भी बात करेंगे ऑफिस में, they'll look tired, they'll have bags under their eyes, and they'll always be unsocial because they're so done with their work. They have so much they have taken upon their shoulders that they don't have the energy to interact with someone else. So here's how to fix a little bit of problems of theirs. First of all, they need to set boundaries. Saying yes to everything is not going to help them in the long run. They'll not be able to finish their own primary and priority task because they'll be handling the extras as well. The second thing, they'll have to learn how to say yes to only to high value tasks that is going to help them to get promotions or create a good network with their seniors or their industry experts who are there. They need to also learn how to take breaks from the work. For them, it's always work, work, work. So what happens is when they go from office to home, they're again taking their work over there. So they're not giving the family time to the family. So office may be office, ghar may be office. This affects their interpersonal relationship with everyone at their house. They are not able to give time to their spouse, their parents, their kids, and most importantly, themselves. So in the long run, it's going to be a burnout for them. As in fresher, very enthusiastic to take up on task. But meantime क्या होगा? If you have started saying yes to everything, that will become your image in the office कि हाँ इस बंदे को कुछ भी काम दे दो तो वो कभी ना नहीं बोलती. But after a point, when you start growing in your own career, आपका काम already बढ़ रहा है. Now you have already created an image from past 3 years that you say yes to every task. So अब आप जब टास्क को ना बोलने लगते हैं, so people think, oh इसमें attitude आ गया, they've gotten egoistic, now they're saying no to everything. So that is again negative point even after you have done good for so many years. So being an overachiever is also a problem. Now we have the bare minimum. So who are these people? The bare minimum is the people who generally they do जितना बोला है उतना ही करेंगे, and they'll not take that proactive behavior. They'll not go the extra step. They'll not take the extra mile. Now there is an issue with this as well. If you are not taking upon extra tasks, so you will not be able to create good relationships with people in the office. So it is not only important कि आप अपना काम खत्म करें, but if someone needs any sort of a help or if there's any event coming up and you are a helping hand, that also creates a good image because you'll meet more people and जो भी लोग helpful होते हैं ना वो हमेशा अच्छे लगते हैं दूसरों को. So if you are the slacker कि अच्छा चलो इतना ही काम कर लेता हूँ जितना बोला है, इतना कर लूँगा तो I'll not get fired. So again that is a problem because when it will come for promotions, they'll be overlooked. अरे इसने तो हाँ बस इतना ही किया, so that will be just the average. And when it comes to promotions and you're getting promoted to a senior position, they'll always look for someone who goes that extra mile, who's taking others along with them ahead. So at that time you will be overlooked for promotion, and such people they are the ones who will get replaced by AI because they'll be doing the mechanical tasks, the repetitive tasks, the monotonous tasks that if you are training an AI, it can be easily done in minutes. So it will be a replaced resource in the future. So जब time आएगा cost cutting का and attrition होगा, so these are the employees who will be removed from the company first because they are not contributing something extra. They are not contributing a part of themselves to the company. So they'll be replaced. नाउ द फोर्थ वन, वी हैव द साइलेंट जीनियस. ये लोग होता है छुपा रुस्तम ऑफिस के, जो सब काम करते हैं, सबको हेल्प भी करेंगे. दे विल सिट देयर, गिव अ गुड आइडिया वंस और ट्वाइस एंड दे विल जस्ट स्टे हश द एंटायर टाइम. अब ये भी प्रॉब्लम है. इनके साथ क्या होता है, दे विल डू एवरीथिंग बट दे विल नॉट शो इट ऑफ. नाउ जब यू विल नॉट शो इट ऑफ, हाउ विल समवन एल्स नो व्हाट यू आर केपेबल ऑफ, व्हाट यू हैव डन, व्हाट यू हैव अचीव्ड? बिकॉज this all cumulatively is going to give your performance appraisal. So मैं यहाँ पे appraisal पे इसीलिए focus कर रही हूँ because at the end of the day we all want a raise, we all want money, we all want good benefits package and we all want to be in a good position in the industry. So वो तो तब होगा when you are cracking your performance appraisal nicely. So being a silent observer, it's just as if you are working your magic in the background. But people should know who the magician is. ये बहुत important होता है that you take credit for your own work. Now you don't have to be braggy about it. You don't go to people and say, oh you know what Amrita, today I did this and you know this is what the impact is. आज तो मेरी बहुत तारीफ की. No, it's just when you write up a mail in the जो progress report होता है, like I had created this dashboard and this has impacted our project and given us more clear idea or increased our productivity by 20%. So this is how you can showcase your work and not be braggy at the same time. It creates a good balance between your personality and your requirement of the work. These people are also someone who should start speaking up more in the meetings. Because whenever they write their ideas, it's just going to be on paper. It will never go to someone else's mind. अगर कोई आपकी सुनेगा नहीं तो कोई आइडिया आपका अपनाएगा ही कैसे? People pitch on Shark Tanks. Why? They already have their idea. They are already doing their business. It's on paper and everything. But they'll still come and pitch. सारे judges के पास they already have the reports of the company. They could see the valuation and be like, oh this is nice, oh this is nice, oh I think I should invest in this. But they want you to pitch because जो आपका reason है उस idea के पीछे, how did you land up on that idea and everything, that is equally important. From where you are coming, what's the idea behind it, and it might also happen कि when 3 to 4 people more are adding on to your idea, it will become a greater one and it will be a eureka moment, and that is what people want. So along with your expertise in your area, you also need to be good at communicating it. So that is all about the Chupa Rustams of the office. The last and the final one, the one who is Chugli Khor, the office gossiper. First of all, these people they have good network in the sense they know everyone in the office, they know everything about everyone. So they have a good personality, they have good social skills, एकदम ऐसे they're very talkative in nature, so people love talking to them. And you know, if you're interacting with someone on an everyday basis, you start sharing your own personal things and something about your private life because you start seeing them as a friend. But the problem with office gossipers is they'll spread rumors about you or they're going to spill your secrets. Now when you are confiding in someone, आप किसी को अपनी पर्सनल बातें शेयर करते हैं, this is what is happening in the office, मेरे और मेरे टीम के कलीग में जमती नहीं है, हमारे बीच में झगड़ा हो गया और there became a scene. या तो फिर there's a team और client meeting में client ने टीम को कुछ सुना दिया, there's let's say a setback, and you shared this with another team member, this person who's the office gossiper. So now the entire office knows about this incident. So such people, they are remembered to be the one to spread drama. Like everyone wants to be friends with them because they want to get the news what's happening around, but no one will be trusting that person with anything. Either it's about work or if it's about anything else. Because the person is not trustworthy. They go around and spread rumors, spill secrets and everything, and no one likes it. अगर आप किसी को अपनी बात बता रहे हैं तो एक भरोसे के साथ बता रहे हैं. So such people are the one who will always spread a drama. So here's what you do with them. You be friends. There's no doubt about it. They are good people. But it's just that you maintain a sort of distance. You create a barrier in sort of the things that you share with that person. It doesn't have to be too personal, or it doesn't have to be about something that has happened. It could just be, let's hang out, let's go to this place together, let's try this place together, or this is what I've been thinking to travel to. So you can make travel plans, but you never cross that personal boundary of this is what is happening in my life, this is what is happening at my home, or anything like that. So after viewing all of these 5 different personalities, where someone's a slacker, someone is overachiever, someone is the office genius, someone is the gossiper, and someone is the escape artist, what have you decided? Which one are you? So there is no one answer to this because no one is perfect. सबके कुछ ना कुछ positives है, सबके कुछ ना कुछ negatives है. So you need to be a mixed bag of this personality and you have to maintain that balance. हर में से एक अच्छी quality लेके you'll have to present yourself in the office. So now that we have come across the different types and how their personalities are, so how are you going to get noticed and promoted based on that? So now with each of the 5, we saw what's their issue. So first of all, we'll pick up the good thing from the overachiever. That's being of a high value employee. You have to be at par with your industry. If there is some new trend, like abhi DeepSeek aaya, then there was a new Power BI ka trend going on a few years back. So all of these trends are new and upcoming if you're in the IT industry. Again, with the graphics, there are so many AI tools that are coming up. If you're videographers, if you're a video editors, again you have so many AI tools to help you create shots out of a long video. You can edit a lot of AI images and everything. So there is a lot of scope and you have a lot of things to catch up with the industry on. So keep yourself updated because that's the most important thing to do. Second thing is to be visible. Whatever you are doing, document it. It can be either in your groups, it can be your emails, Slack, and most important, your personal achievement should reflect on LinkedIn. You will feel it's feeling braggy or I'm just trying to boast about myself. Yes, you should. Why not? What's the issue? If you have worked hard for something, you've achieved something, then it is not wrong to tell people about it. And it's not you're screaming at top of your lungs ki, "Arey, suno, maine ye kiya hai." No, it's just, okay, this is what I've achieved and I want to share this moment of achievement with you. So it's also how you frame your posts over there. So make all your achievements visible, your impact visible, and be seen as a problem solver. Not like the office gossiper who's just like सब जगह रायता फैला रहा है, सब में झगड़े लगा रहा है, sort of a person. Be the problem solver. If there is an conflict between two people and you know them personally or professionally and there's something that you can do, go ahead and try to bring them to a common ground. And if you're looking for recognition, then you need to claim your space. So if you're in the meeting, speak up more, at least once in the meeting. Try to be more proactive. If you don't want to present an idea, maybe you can ask just questions if you have any, or try to get to know more about where that person is coming from. So try to be in depth and more involved in it. So build your influence and not just output. You have to be influential when your when the people around you want to be like, oh, if I was in this position, I want to be like that person. It doesn't have to be leaders that we are getting inspired from. It can just be your colleagues, their work ethics, the way they manage their time, or it's the way they socialize. Like for us introverts, if we see an extrovert, we are like, oh my god, this person knows so many people in the office and the only people I know are the ones who sit around me. So, I want to learn that sort of a skill where I can go up to people and talk openly and freely and have a nice time. So, it is also important to build your influence, that someone will look up to you and people will trust to get their things done. कि अगर मैंने ये काम उसको दिया ना, मतलब हो ही जाएगा, तो I don't have to take tension about it. So that is how we are going through. Be like the perfect balance and the perfect mixed bag of all the 5 types of employees that we saw. So if you are someone who wants to put themselves in this position, and if you're wondering which one are you, or if you want to become one, then how are you going to figure it out? Then you can join our community, the Mind Detox Lab, where we can have open discussions in an anonymous manner and we can help you figure out yourself. So don't forget to join our community. It's there in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, the Mind Detox Lab, and I'll see you in another video.